welcome to our vlog. So for today's video, we're going to share about the impact of religion on society. Religion has been a cornerstone of human society for centuries, shaping cultures, values, and communities. But what role does religion play in shaping society, and what are its effects?
Religion has been a driving force behind many historical events, cultural movements, and social changes. It provides a sense of identity, community, and moral guidance.
Religion can inspire social movements, activism, and advocacy. Many faith-based groups have been instrumental in promoting human rights, social justice, and environmental sustainability. Religion can bring people together, fostering a sense of community and social cohesion. Many faith-based organizations provide vital services such as education, healthcare, and disaster relief.
Religion has also had a profound impact on art, literature, music, and architecture. Many iconic works of art and cultural landmarks have been inspired by faith. However, religion can also be a source of conflict, division, and extremism. Misuse of religious teachings can lead to intolerance, discriminations, and violence.
The impact of religion on society is complex and multifaceted. While it can bring people together and inspire positive change, it can also be a source of conflict and division. Understanding the role of religion in society can help us build more harmonious and respectful communities.